Hi folks, today we have Vasudhan Varma. Thank you Vasudhan for taking the time to share your learning journey with the Applied Gate course for Gate 2021. So can you give us a background about your education and work experience?
I have completed my BTech from Tech University in Chennai. I got a CGPA of around 8.6 and I can understand the concepts easily, but I lack the guidance of what to do next.
Which year did you graduate?
2020.
Oh, you're a computer science engineering?
Yeah.
Okay. And after you graduate, did you work somewhere?
Yeah, I have started my working in Infosys around September 21st. And
September of 2020?
Yeah, 2020. And got posting in December 2020.
Okay, after your training?
After training.
Okay, okay. So you're currently an employee of Infosys?
Yeah, currently working as employee.
Okay, very good, very good. So given your background, so you're saying that you have strong ability to understand concepts.
Yeah.
Can you just elaborate?
Yeah, like if someone is telling something or when he speaks about something, I used to remind how actually it is working. And I can understand that concepts very easily. And fastly I can understand that, grasp that concept. And if I thought one, ఒకవేళ నాకు ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ వెంటనే చెప్తే దాన్ని వెంటనే నేను ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోగలుగుతా, అంటే అది ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది, దాని అప్లికేషన్స్ ఏంటి అని చెప్పేసి ఫస్ట్ నా మైండ్లో అది వస్తుంది. అప్లికేషన్స్ ఎక్కడ వాడతాం, ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం అని చెప్పేసి ఫస్ట్ అలా ఆలోచిస్తా కాన్సెప్ట్స్తో. అది నాకు ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఈజీగా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ని గ్రాస్ప్ చేసుకోవడానికి యూజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది.
Okay, okay. So for those of you who may not understand, he's speaking in Telugu, which is his mother tongue, which is also my mother tongue. So I understand Telugu, but I'll continue to ask questions in English so that it's easy for everyone.
Yeah.
You can also feel free to choose whichever language you want.
Okay.
I will translate it and summarize it.
Yeah, okay.
So in a nutshell, what he's saying is that he has the aptitude and ability to absorb concepts quickly and think what is happening, right? So that's a very brilliant ability. But what is the challenge that you faced in general before you joined Applied Gate course?
ఓకే, అప్లికేషన్స్ అనేవి అన్నీ తెలుసుకోగలుగుతా, కానీ నాకు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అనేవి కరెక్ట్ చెప్పేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు దొరకలేదు. అంటే ఎలాగంటే వాళ్ళు ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చేసి ఇలా షార్ట్ కట్ ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలని చెప్పేస్తారు. నాకు అది నచ్చదు అన్నట్టు, అంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండదు. కాబట్టి నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, వినడం మానేసేవాడిని. దాంతో టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ చదవడం అలవాటు చేసుకుని దాని నుంచి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేశా. కానీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లెర్నింగ్ అనేది ఏంటంటే, సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు గేట్ వరకు చూసుకుంటే, ఇప్పుడు సి లాంగ్వేజ్ తీసుకుంటే ఎంత డెప్త్గా అయినా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ తీసుకుంటే. కానీ గేట్కి ఏమవుతుందంటే అలా ఒకటే సబ్జెక్ట్ డెప్త్కి వెళ్తే ఫైనల్గా మనం సక్సెస్ కాలేము. అందుకని చెప్పేసి ఏం చేశానంటే, మామూలుగా కోరాలో నాది గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అయిపోయాక గేట్ రిజల్ట్స్ వచ్చాక IIIT హైదరాబాద్ అప్లై చేశాక అందులో రాలేదు.
This is in 2020?
2020,
okay.
ఆఫ్టర్ మై గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ అప్లైడ్ IIIT హైదరాబాద్. అందులో రాకపోయేసరికి నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేద్దామని చెప్పేసి ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు అప్పటికి ఇన్ఫోసిస్ ఆఫర్ లెటర్ రాలేదు. సో ఏం చేశాను, గేట్కి ప్రిపేర్ చేద్దామని చెప్పేసి కోరాలో ఎతికాను ఎక్కడెక్కడ బాగుంటుంది అని చెప్పేసి ఎతికితే అందులో దొరికింది. గేట్ అప్లైడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ బాగా చెప్తారు అనే మెయిన్ పాయింట్తో నేను తీసుకొని యూట్యూబ్లో కొన్ని వీడియోస్ చూశాను. నేను కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అప్లికేషన్ నాకు ఎలాగైతే నేను మైండ్లో అనుకుంటానో అలా మీరు చెప్పేసరికి నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఇదే కావాలని చెప్పేసి ఆ రోజు పేమెంట్ చేసేసి ఆ రోజు జాయిన్ అయ్యే కోర్స్ దీంట్లో.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో just to summarize it for those of you who may not understand Telugu, so in most of his typical learning at a college, they taught shortcuts which led him down the path where he was not interested in just a shortcut based rote learning approach. So he would move to a textbook based approach. But then the problem in the textbook based approach that he faced was the syllabus is vast. Just on a subject like C, you can spend months together just going deeper and deeper into C. So he realized that this is not the right strategy for GATE, given that you have so many subjects and limited time. So after reading some reviews on Quora, he checked out some of the videos of Applied Gate course, and he really liked the applicative viewpoint of teaching, and he surely appreciated that approach, and he took the course accordingly. So
Yeah.
did I miss anything?
No.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So if I miss anything, please let me
Yeah,
know.
okay.
Cool. So what was your learning like from the course? How did you plan your learning? Because from September onwards, you're also an employee of Infosys,
Yeah.
right? So how did you balance your work before you
My
joined,
journey towards
your whole journey in the last year or so.
Okay. I started my preparation in July, around July, after IIIT announced its results. So, what I thought is, I got some schedule from mentors. I made the working hours at 8 hours. I will work for studying GATE.
This is before you joined Infosys?
Yeah.
8 hours a day?
8 hours a day.
Very good.
So, I planned like that and completed the course content. I planned like 8 hours, but I have the basic concept, so I made that video faster, like 1.5 and 2 I kept it, and I completed that concept faster, so I could make it 12 hours a day for
12 hours of content a day?
Content a day.
Because you are watching at 1.5x?
Yeah.
Okay, got
So after that, I used to solve the problems, like practice test problems, and whenever I am free, whenever I will go somewhere, I used to look at that problems, so that that concept will be revised in myself itself. So అలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటూ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్యారలల్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటూ సెప్టెంబర్ దాకా అలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను. సెప్టెంబర్లో నాకు ఆఫర్ లెటర్ వచ్చాక అంటే అప్పుడు డిసైడ్ అవ్వలేకపోయాను మొత్తం గేట్ షల్ ఐ మేక్ ఇట్ టు గేట్ ఆర్ షల్ ఐ
It was a big decision. Should I continue preparing for GATE in September, or should I go to join Infosys?
Yeah. So my father told like you continue preparing for GATE, parallelly you do this job.
Very good. Your father is also a teacher. I just spoke to him.
Yeah. So he told to do like that. So I have joined Infosys then. I thought like okay, this year I will prepare for GATE. In next year, in 2022, I will crack the GATE.
So you said, okay, even if I don't crack now, next year I'll crack.
Yeah.
But by the time you joined in September 2020 at Infosys, how much syllabus did you complete?
3 more subjects are left. 4 subjects are left.
So, but you did a good chunk of topics you already finished. Okay.
DBMS, C and CO and OS topics are left. Remaining are completed.
Okay.
And DBMS is also in the training, in Infosys training, DBMS is also there.
DBMS is there. I think a little bit of operating systems is also
No,
there.
it is not.
Only DBMS.
DBMS is there. So I read, seen this content in applied course itself without watching the training videos of them.
Oh, and you could solve all their exams, everything.
Yeah,
easily.
SQL queries and everything were which I could understand easily. So in that gap, September gap, I have completed this DBMS also.
Very good.
But I have left preparing for GATE. I did not revise anything. I stopped everything.
In September you stopped after you joined Infosys.
Yeah, I stopped
Till
everything.
when did you stop?
Till January.
Oh, you did not prepare much for those 3-4 months.
Yeah, I
it
did
was
not.
training time at Infosys. Right?
Yeah,
so
training
the training time is very, very hectic. I heard.
I have to complete their assignments also. So
So from September to December, you were fully focused on doing well at Infosys.
yeah,
And then you only started again in Jan.
yeah. I started in I think in Jan 12th I have started it again. So I called sir and I asked what to
You
do.
spoke to.
Yeah,
You spoke to.
I have 3 subjects left. I completed the DBMS in that
Yeah, he
span.
sent an email actually. So on the day, sir, actually, this is what happened, and 3 subjects are pending. Now I'm unable to choose the decision whether I have to leave these subjects or can I cover something actually.
Okay.
So then I immediately called to him and told that okay, in fact, don't skip the subjects because there are some easy topics are there, and we can expect like a good number of questions which we can easily score. So
Right,
if
right,
you
right.
skip 100%, there is a chance that we can also miss an easy question from the particular subject. So I told him, okay, if you choose computer organization architecture, there are some easy topics like from memory organization or pipelining. These are the areas we can definitely expect a question. So
They're easy to score.
Yeah, they are easy to score. I told him, okay, at least if you don't have time to cover the entire subject, at least you can try to cover these areas.
Very good suggestion.
And try like similarly for CN also we had a small discussion. So
So so from Jan 12th onwards, you covered these 3 subjects, especially the easy topics.
I covered everything.
You covered everything. Very good.
Yeah,
Very good.
I went it the 3x speed and I covered every.
Very
top-
good.
Like I already have that basic concepts from which I have read from, like small topics I have read from textbooks.
In your BTech.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
And you
already
also have
have.
a good aptitude to absorb fast. So
Yeah.
you watched it full speed.
Yeah, I made it like full speed, but I did not solve many problems on that concepts. But I have that concepts in my mind. So in last week, what I have done is I have taken that 3 subjects and I solved all those problems. And from Jan 12th onwards, I started giving my mock tests also.
Okay.
So, I left these 3 subjects. I did not read that questions also, but I got around 40 marks, I guess,
Okay.
in starting.
In Jan, first mock test that you wrote?
Yeah,
Okay.
in Jan 13th. Then for every day I have given, like my father's suggestion is, if you read that concepts, you may have that concept, but you don't have the problem solving ability.
Very true, very
Yeah.
true.
So what he suggested is try solving mock tests also, even if you don't complete these subjects, try solving that mock test, which will help you in final exam. So I started solving that papers, and like I solved every day one paper I have solved, and evening I started analyzing it. Like I will play for 1 hour in between. After coming from play, I used to take that mock paper, and I used to mark every topic which I have, like I was lagging. So I did not complete my revision also till Jan 13th. So what I have done is, okay, the revision is left, and also there are many silly mistakes, like in question if there is some no, they were asking about some which are not.
Negation basically.
Yeah, I did not see that, and I used to keep, and when I was seeing that, oh, I have missed this. So I found lot of silly mistakes in my first mock itself. So what I have done is, I tried to reduce silly mistakes, and also revise these concepts parallelly. So like my mother, the one motive which made me work harder is, my mother told me that if you work for this 1 month, you no need to spend that whole 1 year again for preparing for GATE.
For GATE again.
Again.
Okay. That's a valid point.
Yeah, actually I thought I will crack GATE in 2022, but my mother told me, if you crack it now, then no need to prepare for that.
1 more year.
Yeah,
that's a good point.
So I made it like if I want to work for 1 year or 1 month, so I gave my full effort in that 1 month.
Very good, very good. So overall, because you had a gap of 3 months in your preparation because you joined Infosys, how did you make up for all of it? Because that's a critical period. September to December is a very critical period, right? But thankfully you put in extra effort later and things like that. Overall, how much effort were you putting in from Jan 12th on an average every day?
On an average, 12 to 15 hours.
This is apart from your
work.
So you used to finish work early and then sit on GATE completely?
Yeah. One lucky thing is I did not get any project during that time.
Oh, so you were on bench?
Yeah.
Oh, so less work. So even during office hours, you would study for GATE?
Yeah, I used to, whatever work they are assigning, I used to complete it, and I used to start preparing
very
from.
Good. Thankfully, that helped you to some extent. Very good, very good. So any suggestions you have for other students who are very similar to you? Probably somebody who joined Infosys has some training, or somebody who is early in their career, who has to also finish the job or training. What are your suggestions for them?
Like, I think many of my classmates around, there are toppers, but there are also people like who don't have guidance. They have knowledge, but they don't have guidance.
Yes.
Like me, and there are many people like me. So what I thought, I suggested them to do this course, but they were like, I will leave it in middle. So I tried to motivate them, but they did not get. Only few of them have taken this course. So my suggestion is, like if someone wants to learn concepts more, like me, who wants to learn from concept rather than problems. So my suggestion is take this course. It will cover all your concepts.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
So learning from concepts rather than problems.
Yeah.
That's
if we solve the problem, if the same problem is there again, we can do that. But if you know the concepts, even if the problem changes, we used to solve that problem.
That's true.
So
very good point.